Good morning. Today we are correcting PO73. It's actually CO73. It is not a PO, it is a CO. CO73, I can calculate the probability of a single event. Remember, for this one, we needed to find what we want to happen, those desired outcomes. And then we put that in a fraction, that's the numerator, and the denominator is how many possible outcomes. So we have our desired outcomes over possible outcomes, total possible. We need to find our percentage for that. So desire over total makes a fraction. You divide the top by the bottom to get a decimal. When we want to go to percentages, remember we always round to that 100th place. So if there is just one number, one decimal place, like 0.4, you need to put a 0 to that 100th place. So remembering that that would become 40%, not 4%. So remember to always fill in 2 decimal places. So that way you know what your percent is going to be. Correcting our homework, we have, for a vowel, it would be 19%, which is not likely. For a consonant, it is 81%, it is likely. For letters before O, there are 14 of them, so it would be 54%, which is likely. SVDP royal, there are 9 of them, so that would be 35%, is not likely. Any questions about our letters section? All right, now let's look at the cards. All right, for the probability of choosing a diamond, there are 13 cards in a suit, so that would be 25%, not likely. Jack, queen, or king, there are 12 of them, so that would be 23%, not likely. A red card or a spade, there are 39 of them, so that would be 75%, which is likely. Prime numbered card, we made our list yesterday. There are 24 that are the prime numbers because you had to go through the spades, the clubs, the diamonds, and the hearts. So if you just counted out the prime numbers and did 6, you forgot that there are 4 2s, 4 3s, 4 5s. So you should have had 24 out of the 52, which is 46%, not likely. So we have to be careful with that. I saw a couple of us make that face, oh, I just counted the prime numbers, but I forgot how many of each of those numbers they were. So always ask yourself how many total there would be. And then 9s or black 5 or red 2, there are 8 of them because there's 4 9s, 2 black 5s, and 2 red 2s. So that would be 15%, which is not likely. Any questions on the cards? All right. If you are listening at home, I hope you are well. Please see me if you have any questions. Hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.